Pero,
It is a
pero,
mockery.
yung
Because he's
accent na
using it as a
ginagawa
bit
niya,
for his skit or his
yung
comedy.
Filipino accent kasi niya, ginagaya niya yung nanay niya. Which is true naman, na ganun talaga yung accent ng nanay niya kasi first generation immigrant yung nanay niya, siya second gen na eh.
Pero,
So,
hindi.
lumaki siya sa ganong
Eto,
household.
Beb, ito yung problema dyan. Pag si Russell Peters yung gumawa, hindi offensive. Kahit mas offensive yung accent niya. Kasi si Russell Peters, hindi lang Filipino yung accent na ginagawa niya.
Lahat.
Si
Yeah.
Jokoy,
Filipino.
Joseph, fuck off, dude. Yung joke na
Yeah.
naman na yan, pang ilang beses na yan.
It's like siguro masyadong din ng nagasgas.
Nagasgas
totoo.
na masyado.
Hindi katulad ni Rex Navarrete.
Yes.
Rex Navarrete sa
Idol.
Philippine community. Oo. Hindi niya inubos yung joke niya he did 1-2 tours and okay na. Right now, Jokoy is doing what? On his 6th tour or something? Na dinediretso lang niya. And then, of course, comedians, their job is hard to be able to think about and write about jokes. So sometimes, talagang recycled talaga yung material yung magagamit nila. Therefore, nung una, sabihin natin nung 2 years ago, 3 years ago, noong 2018, siguro.
That was 5 years ago. What are you on about?
Whatever shit. Pero basically, nung time na yun,
2020 mindset.
Oo. He was doing something na a lot of Pinoys are proud of, but it's like hearing
It over and over again.
it over and over again, katulad nung anong tawag dito? Sino yung idol mong musician? Sino yun?
Carlos Agassi.
Carlos Agassi. Oh. After a while, it becomes tiring.
Yeah.
Even though it's a different song.
Yeah. Kung pare-parehas lang din naman yung tono, di ba? Pero honestly, noon, fan ako ni Jokoy, pero nung paulit-ulit, ang nakakatawa lang talaga sa kanya na jokes, yung mama jokes niya, yung mga kwento niya sa nanay niya. Pero yun lang yung nakakatawa sa kanya. Other than that, wala na.